10 minutes, 2 dumbbells, and serious arm gains. Let's tighten, tone, and torch your best arms. Start now. Alright, let's kick things off with a quick warm-up. Warming up gets your blood flowing, wakes up your muscles, and preps your joints so you can crush this workout safely and full of power. Let's start strong. Follow along workout. There are no audio cues, but be intentional with every move. Grab your dumbbells and let's go. Great work! Now it's time to cool down. This helps your muscles recover, improves flexibility, and keeps soreness at bay. Let's slow it down together. Yes, y'all, we did it. Awesome job. So I'll be real with you. I was super skeptical when I first saw creatine in gummy form. I thought, no way that actually works. But I decided to give Crea Gums 30 days, and here's what I noticed. First, it's way easier than powders. No mix, no mess, just pop a gummy. They're low in sugar, they taste great, and still they pack a punch with every bite. In my workouts, I don't feel as tired. I've got so much energy, I can push harder, and I've actually been feeling like I can hit some new goals. On top of that, recovery just feels smoother, and building muscle has honestly got so much easier when I add this to my routine. So yeah, I went from being a total skeptic to a believer. Crea Gums are simple, tasty, and effective. And here's the best part. You can try your first bottle for free using my link down in the description. So don't overthink it. Just give it a shot. I think you'll feel the difference too. In the mood for another workout? Well, I got you covered. There's an amazing option below to keep the workout going. Please, please, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any future workouts. Thanks so much for working out with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.